Yes, I do.
So gorgeous.
Alexa Rose is about 4 years old, and then we have Primrose here, and Prim just turned 6 years old.
We had done several events with conferences, nurses conferences, and a lot of the nurses at these conferences said, "Oh, do you come to these hospitals, this hospital, this hospital? Oh, we need to get the girls up at the hospital." So we had reached out to see who the contact was, and we contacted them because we just knew that what a difference the dogs make when they walk through the hospital and bring joy to so many people.
What's her name?
Yeah, we get reactions really wherever they go, not only in the hospitals, but outside the hospital, walking through the parking lot, the people coming out. And again, you see people in wheelchairs, most of the time they're frowning, they're not smiling. And then you hear the, "Oh, look, look, look."
Yeah.
And that's a really neat thing. So
Just a lot of happiness and a lot of there's the therapy dogs. I think a lot of things shut down during COVID, and so we weren't out there as active. But now things are picking back up, and people are just so happy to see us back out there.
Glad you guys came in the room. You guys made my day.
it really comes down to the nurses on the floor and the staff. The first thing we do is we meet with the nurses, and matter of fact, some of them will approach us and say, "Oh, you need to go to this room. This room could really use this today, needs this uplift today." And of course, none of it's directed by us. We don't just go into the rooms just plain because we don't know what the well-being of the patient is or if they're allowed to even have the dogs come in the room. So we do ask ahead of time, and the nurses are really well aware of what the patient's need are. Or the doctor may say, "Hey, let's get a dog up here and visit with one of our patients."
We just love it. It fills our heart up. It fills our cup up. So we just love doing it. If these girls can come in here and make one person smile, that they've done their job for the day. I hope it's more than one, but if they can just make that one person smile, that makes our day.